Apple's upcoming foldable iPhone is rumored to feature a new glass sandwich display design aimed at preventing damage. The company has been focused on solving one of the biggest problems in foldable phones, screen creasing, and is now also working to protect the display from its own hinge mechanism. According to a leak from Digital Chat Station on Weibo, Apple may go beyond using self-healing glass and a seamless hinge. Instead, it is reportedly developing a dual-layer UTG-UFG, ultra-thin glass and ultra-thin flexible glass structure. In this design, the display panel sits between two thin glass layers, one on top and one underneath. While adding glass beneath the display might sound unusual, it serves important purposes. First, it helps prevent the screen from directly touching the hinge as the device folds and unfolds. This reduces the risk of internal damage caused by physical contact. Second, the extra glass layers absorb most of the mechanical stress during folding, which helps protect the delicate display panel and improves durability over time. That said, the leak comes with some uncertainty, as Digital Chat Station has a mixed track record. The same source previously mentioned that Apple was still facing technical challenges with this display technology, although other reports suggest those issues may have already been resolved. Apple is expected to launch its foldable iPhone around 2026, and it's clear the company is investing heavily in making the display as strong and refined as possible. The screen is still expected to have a crease, but one that should be barely noticeable in everyday use. Apple is also testing advanced protective coatings to reduce scratches and improve long-term reliability. Interestingly, there are hints of what this display could look like. At CES 2026, Samsung Display showcased a nearly crease-free OLED panel, though it was quickly pulled from public view. Since Samsung Display is a key supplier for Apple, there is a strong possibility that similar technology could be used in the foldable iPhone. Overall, Apple appears to be taking a careful and innovative approach, aiming to deliver a foldable device that avoids the common durability issues seen in earlier models.